This is my first Impact Conference, and other members of our team have had the benefit of coming to Impact, and each and every one of them have come back with so many different concrete learnings and important messages that we need to be able to put forward.
The Impact Conference has been, I think, instrumental in redefining how we talk about sustainable destination development and community development, community building, and now the growing focus on regeneration. There's really no other conference in North America in our industry that's tackling this head on. And if this is something you want to be in front of, if this is how you want to make an impact in your community, you really need to be at this event.